It has flown swiftly under the radar. But the Maverick is here to tell the people what I want. Our dear West Indies are now down to an all-time low of number 9 on the 10-team ICC International Test ranking. Only Zimbabwe is ranked below the once mighty West Indies. But give it a little time. Give it a little more time. We get in there. And look, we tend to say it's a shame and disgrace. It passed that. No. All the people who are still in denial and clinging on to the hope that one day the Windies will turn the corner and get back to the top in Test cricket, will wake up out of a coma. It is not happening, and it is never going to happen. Those days of the West Indies dominating Test match cricket are now but fleeting memories. I have been through all the layers of emotions. Me reach reality now, and the reality is that Test match cricket is now a source of embarrassment and shame for West Indies cricket. If we are to maintain any semblance of respect and dignity, and not to be ridiculed and laughed at like brainless and talentless buffoons, then our best bet is to continue to produce top T20 players and remain an international force in T20 cricket. We won 2 of the last 3 T20 World Cup titles. So all our focus and resources must be channeled into producing more T20 specialists and winning the next T20 World Cup and the next one after that. If we continue to chase the elusive dream of Test match cricket revival, then we will continue to be the laughing stock of the entire cricketing world. I don't mean I'm a laugh.